Okay, we've finished our clown here. Got it all, the mouth is put back together, so now we're going to put our wig on him. We have a clown wig we're going to use for this one. So if you ever have to make repairs or get to the inside, you just take the 2 screws out, loosen the wig up a little bit. About right there. And we're just going to staple it in. So if you ever have to get inside, you just pop the staples off. Get inside, and if you have to get inside to do anything. And there's our wig. So all you do is just fluff it up. Wig on. Last thing we're going to do is we have these press on eyelashes we're going to use, and these just stick on. They do wear out fairly quickly, but you can pick these up for under $5 at just about any store. So at one time I was gluing them on, but that caused them to sit wrong. So I just prefer to stick them on like this, and then when they wear out, pull them off and put new ones up. They're not, they'll last for a little while. So there's our clown head that is finished. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section, and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.